Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you today how to download Power BI. So first of all, we have to go to the Chrome. So then let's go to Chrome. Then we have to type here Microsoft Power BI. So once you click on that, we will see the first website powerbi.microsoft.com. So it's official Power BI website. So you have to click on the link. Once you go to the Power BI website, you have to go to the products, then go to the Power BI desktop section. Here you will see the Power BI download option. So you can select download free option, or if you want to change the language or download in other language, so you have to select the download or language options. So we are going to do this one. Once you go here, you have to scroll down. So here you will see the language option. So there are different languages like Dutch, English, Finnish, French, Hindi, you can Thai. So right now we are going to download this in English language. So let's select the English language and click on the download. So here you will see the two options. First one is Power BI Desktop Setup 64-bit .exe file. Second one is PBI Setup.exe. So we are going to download 64-bit version. So if you don't know which version your system is, so for that you can go to the home here and you will have to type system information. So you have to open this system information, and here from here you will find the system type. So here my system is showing 64-bit. So if your system is 64-bit, then you have to download this one. If not, then you can download this one also. And this is the file size. So click next. Once you click the next icon, your download will start here. And from here, it will take some time depending on your internet connection. So you have to wait. So here we can see that our download is complete. So now we have to install this. So, so let's click on open. So this window has been popped up. So here we have to select the language. So I'm going to select English language. Next, then you will get to pop-up for the allowance of the app permission. So I'm going to click yes. Once I click on the yes, the installation will begin. Then you have to click on the next. You have to accept the terms and license agreements. Then here you will see the location where your Power BI file will be stored. So currently my files are program is being stored in C drive. So I'm going to keep the C. and it is recommended to keep it in C. But if you want, you can store it in other location as well. So click on next, and here you will see a create a desktop shortcut. So if you check on this in your desktop screen, you will see the Power BI icon. So I'm going to keep it checked and click on install. So here it will take some time to install. So let's wait. So new window has been opened. So complete the Microsoft Power BI setup visa. So here you will see the launch Microsoft Power BI desktop icon. So if I check it, so the once I click on finish, the Power BI will open. So I'm going to keep it checked and click on finish. So hopefully it will open the Power BI. So as you can see, it is opening the Power BI. So Power BI file has been opened. So you can directly go to get data from here, or you can just close the icon, and here you will see the Power BI home screen. So, so your Power BI installation is completed over here. So please subscribe to my channel, and in next video I'll show you how to download it from the Microsoft Store. So you can get the Power BI updates automatically. So thank you so much, and please like this video. Bye bye.